Hello guys, so I've ordered my turbo online, 268 quid, but before it arrives I need to fix my airbox for air filter, which exploded with my turbo. All this rim around just went out, so I'm just using a Q-bond, which is awesome. I can't describe it otherwise. It's just awesome. I've used it first like 10 years ago and I've been using it since. It's like you get the powders, like grey and black powders there, and all you do is you sprinkle a bit of powder, let's say into this like corner, sprinkle it, and then just a drop of the activator, and it becomes rock hard. It's like stone hard. And I've fixed so many plastic bits on my car with it. It's amazing, especially where you've got like ribs like that. It's awesome. It just goes in between the ribs and becomes part of the plastic. I've even fixed watertight products. So one of my valves water was leaking water, and I fixed it, and I've got another like 2 years of use out of it. So yeah, if you ever come across a problem like this with plastic, Q-bond. Don't search for anything else. Q-bond is the best. Okay, so I'll fix this up, and you'll see. I'll take a picture or do a little short video to show you how it's all. Because I can't. Let me just try and show you how it works. Okay, so I'll put this propped up so it's nice, and because you want to fill the this what is called filling reinforcing powder. You want to fill this powder so it doesn't run off, because it's like powdery. So if you would like drop it here, it just went away. So what you need to do is make like a cup, or so it stays in there until you can pour the activator in. So I'm gonna use the grey one so you can see what it looks like. I need to focus a little bit. There we are. Okay, powder. So you just fill in cavities. Don't want to go very deep. At first you want to build up the layers, so basically like a 3D printer. So you're just printing out a missing piece of plastic. And what you do is 1 cup, a few drops, and that is it. That has now become part of the plastic, and it's rock hard. I'll show you now. It's a knife. See, it's rock hard. So what you do then, depending on the brake you've got, I'm gonna build this up a little bit more, and that'll be that. And then I'm gonna fill in there where I've got a breakage there. You can see there it's moving. So I'm just gonna fill up those little cavities, and it's gonna become part of the plastic, and it's gonna be as good as new because it's solid. There, I've literally done a corner which all this piece is held up by, and it's holding already. So I'm just gonna do those, and I'm just gonna fit it probably on Saturday. My turbo is arriving tomorrow, so I will need to take out the pipes, the intercooler pipes, because I was advised by my mechanic that you want to, when your turbo explodes, you want to clean those pipes out, because there might be debris of the broken turbo which went down into those pipes, and as soon as you put the new turbo in and start the engine, it's gonna get sucked up and you're gonna mess up the new turbo. So I was told to clean the pipes, even the intercooler, but my intercooler is at the other side of the car, so I think it'll be fine. I'll just clean the pipes. Okay, so see you there. Bye. There, so you can see I've got it all in all the gaps, and then what you do, a few drops there, and it becomes rock solid. Seriously, you're gonna use this stuff, you're gonna write me emails saying, oh my god, where was this stuff? How come I never used it before? It's amazing. You're gonna want to donate money to me because I showed you it. See? That's it, done. Perfect. No need to buy new, probably £40 worth easily from junkyard, if not more. This costed me 8 quid. 8 quid, and you get 2 of those and 2 of the activators. It's perfect. That's it. Job done. Airtight, watertight. That's it. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Hello guys. So as you can see, my intercooler pipe is full of oil, which is from my engine. So when the turbo broke, it forced all of the oil into the intercooler pipes. So I need to get this pipe out all the way up there, and I think I will need to take out the intercooler. I've taken the wheel off, and I've taken the inside cover off. Just on those screws there, and it exposes the intercooler there. You can see it there, a bit dirty. So that's the pipe I was talking about. That's the pipe which will be full of oil depending on how long you were driving. So it's probably a good few liters in there. So I've disconnected the top bits, and now I need to disconnect there, and then take the intercooler out and wash it. See you when I take the pipe out. As you can see, I wasn't ready for that much oil. It just dropped everywhere. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. You can see why you have to clean your turbo after it exploded, because that is debris, bits of your turbo, leftovers, and that will go into your intercooler and into your injectors. Leftovers of your turbo in your pipe. So some of that debris would have been pushed into the intercooler. So next I have to take the intercooler out and clean it. Okay, so the intercooler has this plastic casing around it, and to remove it you just need to push on it this way, push on it that way, and it releases, and then you can wiggle your way and take it off, exposing a dirty intercooler. Which will be, I don't know whether it's been screwed. There will be screws in there. So to take this out, I will need to take off the front bumper off. You need to take this out, then you need to take the grill out. There will be a hidden screw behind there, and then there's gonna be screws around here, and take the lights out, which will help you release the clips behind here. Okay, let's begin. So this should just pull out if you give it a good pull. It's just on clips. Which will reveal the hidden bolt there. You will also need to release these. Take this plastic off. One more here. Don't think you need to remove this, but you need to remove the grill, which is just sliding out. There's holes in there, you push on them and it releases the top of the grill, and then you just wiggle, lots of wiggling to release the bottom. And you take out, and you see the clips, you press on them and it releases. Another, there's another one. I need to press and there should be another one there. There we are. The grill is off. Now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to unscrew. So I didn't need to take these out to remove this plastic. As you can see, everything is out. I've unscrewed those, which release the bumper. There's 4 bolts at the bottom, you can see there, access from the bottom. Now I'm taking off all these plastics to get to the intercooler so I can take it out and clean it properly, because there's shit in it. Okay, so I've unscrewed this piece of plastic there. Now take this intercooler intake air, you just pull on it to the side and it's off. Now what we have is an intercooler exposed. Now I have to find, there's one screw there, you can see, for the intercooler, and I'll show you when I find the next one. The other bolt is there at the top, and the other one is there in there. So 1, 2, 3. I'll unscrew those and see if we can get it out. Yes, it's only those 3 bolts. There, and one at the bottom, and the intercooler is free. It's just the pipe. Now this pipe is holding it. I need to release this pipe and then we can get it out. Okay guys, so I've now cleaned all of it. Cleaned the pipes with petrol. All the debris and everything's shiny. No debris, no nothing. Do it with petrol. Petrol is it'll evaporate very quickly. The intercooler is clean. All the panels are clean. A bit of dirty petrol. Now we can put it all back together.